The tech world is buzzing with excitement as Samsung gears up for its next flagship release, the Galaxy S25 Ultra. This device promises to be a game changer not just for Samsung fans, but for anyone looking for a smartphone that redefines innovation. From groundbreaking design updates to performance leaps, there's so much to unpack. Stay with us as we explore every detail of this highly anticipated release, and trust me, you'll want to stick around till the end because we're revealing some surprises that might just make this phone the most talked about device of the year. Let's start with one of the most surprising decisions Samsung has made this time around, the processor. Forget the rumors about Exynos making a comeback here. Samsung has officially decided to go all in with Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite chip for the entire Galaxy S25 lineup. This move ensures unmatched performance across all models, from the S25 to the S25 Ultra. Built on the cutting-edge 3M process, this chip brings enhanced CPU and GPU capabilities, making multitasking, gaming, and overall user experience smoother than ever. Gamers will especially love features like game frame interpolation and game super resolution, which elevate graphics and performance to console-level quality. Imagine running your favorite games at 120Hz with stunning clarity. That's the promise of the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Now, about the design. Samsung is taking bold steps, swapping the usual aluminum frame for a sleek titanium build. This not only adds a premium feel, but significantly boosts durability. Paired with Corning's Gorilla Armor glass on both sides, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is built to withstand the toughest conditions. And if you're someone who loves a large display, you're in for a treat. The device features a stunning 6.9-inch dynamic LTPO AMOLED 2X panel with Quad HD Plus resolution. Whether you're streaming gaming or just scrolling, the adaptive refresh rate of 120Hz ensures buttery smooth visuals and sharp clarity. But that's not all. The display also includes an anti-reflective coating, making it perfect for outdoor use under bright sunlight. Let's dive into the camera setup because this is where Samsung is both playing it safe and pushing boundaries. While the 200MP main sensor from the S24 Ultra returns, it's far from just a repeat. Samsung has fine-tuned the software and AI to enhance real-world performance. Expect richer details, vibrant colors, and better low-light shots. But the real star here is the new 50MP ultra-wide camera. This upgrade doesn't just add pixels, it introduces a larger sensor that promises better dynamic range, reduced noise, and stunning low-light performance. Group photos, landscapes, or those dramatic ultra-wide shots you love, it's all going to look better than ever. The telephoto lenses retain their impressive 3x and 5x zoom, making the Galaxy S25 Ultra a powerhouse for both casual and pro photographers. Speaking of innovation, Samsung hasn't forgotten about functionality. Early leaks about MagSafe-like charging support turned out to be true. The Galaxy S25 Ultra introduces Cube 2 wireless charging with magnetic power profile. What does this mean? Faster, more efficient charging that aligns perfectly every time, even wirelessly. This is a game changer for those who rely on quick, hassle-free charging on the go. Plus, with a robust 5,000 mAh battery and 45 UE-wired charging, you'll rarely find yourself scrambling for a charger. Now let's talk colors because Samsung has stirred up quite the debate with its bold choices. The S25 Ultra will debut in 4 titanium-based shades: black, gray, white, and a signature blue that's already generating buzz online. But here's the twist. Some leaks suggest the blue may actually appear more gray under certain lighting conditions, sparking excitement and curiosity among fans. This unique approach to color design ensures the S25 Ultra stands out in a sea of smartphones. Samsung is also stepping up its game in the accessory department. The pre-release cases for the Galaxy S25 Ultra showcase thoughtful design tweaks like larger camera ring cutouts and a dedicated LED flashlight slot. These cases not only protect your phone, but also enhance functionality. Yes, MagSafe compatibility is built right into these accessories, making Samsung's ecosystem more versatile than ever. Let's not forget about software. Running on Android 15 with One UI 7, the Galaxy S25 Ultra offers a seamless experience loaded with customization options. Samsung promises 7 years of OS and security updates, effectively future-proofing the device. Features like enhanced AI integration take everyday tasks to the next level, from smarter camera modes to improved battery optimization. The Galaxy S25 Ultra isn't just about the hardware. It's about creating an experience that feels cohesive, premium, and built for the future. Whether it's the bold design, cutting-edge performance, or game-changing camera upgrades, this device checks all the boxes. And if you're someone who values longevity, Samsung's commitment to updates ensures this phone remains relevant for years to come. What excites you the most about the Galaxy S25 Ultra? Is it the titanium build, the enhanced ultra-wide camera, or the powerful Snapdragon 8 Elite chip? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth tech reviews and updates. This is your go-to channel for everything you need to know about the latest gadgets. See you in the next video.